I'm not gonna die. What the fuck's this? What the fuck's that?
What the fuck?
I know it was just a normal guy. I think that was just a normal guy.
No, you can't shoot a guy for moonwalking and then no shoot a guy for doing all that.
The Slug Boys, yay!
Oh.
Special warning from there. Somebody there.
45 years ago, the infamous serial killer known as the Dentist roamed Midnight Town, killing victims by ripping their jaws off. Right. Sick. Government authorities confirmed no reports of at all. I can't even say that word.
Emaciated.
Right. Think you imagine the description of the same killer that died 14 years ago. Witnesses describe a slack broken jaw, white body, bandaged hands, and cracking skin. It follows the same method of killing as the original Dentist, removing the victim's jaw from their skull. If you see it, don't hide, don't speak, and do not look back. Run until your legs no longer obey you. Should you successfully flee, contact your loved ones while you still can. Right?
Brilliant.
Witnesses who managed to escape it are all found dead no more than a week later. Oh, there we go. A hat.
Yeah.
Traffic cone.
Traffic cone.
I'm wearing that. Another hat. Unicorn.
Unicorn.
It's gonna look fucking mental.
This cunt's still celebrating the World Cup with him.
You know, one of my mates that actually lives in Boston was like messaging me saying, "Are you amongst this crowd?" And I'm like, "No."
Let's see.
What's this?
We got an email.
Is that a rat? Rat!
Right.
What the fuck are you doing, little
Aye.
shit? What are you doing?
Rats.
Check this out.
Rats.
What are you doing? I'll feed you to my cat, you little shit.
Oh, plant there,
Oh,
actually.
wait, rebuilding a carburetor. Oh.
I threw a rat at her.
Yeah, you've got that game. I can see
Whoa,
that.
he's closer,
17
he's
inches.
closer, he's closer, he's closer. Like,
Wow.
give me the gun, give me the gun.
Aye, well, I think you're alright. I'm done.
Ah, you thought you could get rid of me, you cunt. I need another fucking bin bag.
Oh,
there you go.
Aye, right.
Somebody just shot their pants. What was that? That lassie in the toilet? Well, go clean up.
What? Oh, I need to clean up the shit. Oh, what the
I
fuck?
need to
That's actually fucking minging.
Aye.
Fucking shut up the walls and
I need
everything.
the hose for that one.
Can you hose me down my fucking mop, please? Fucking, that's fucking manky.
I can't even see what's
That's
on
me.
that sign.
That's me. That's me. That's me.
What the fuck? That is you. Get the gun.
Somebody's coming to arrest you.
Oh, look, that's an ambulance.
Come on.
An ambulance is just passed.
Right, I'm gonna need to bury my dead body. Like fucking. Who's this?
I don't know, but you
Oh,
walk in
there's a
with
cow talking to me. There's a cow talking to me. What the fuck?
There's a cow talking to you, what?
There was a cow on the other side of the wall. Go and move.
Yeah, mate, where's your shut? Yeah, I know, it's just really hot. Let me grab something for Catherine so I can really quickly head home.
It's fucking.
You know, it's night time, mate. The only thing weird about him is he's got a shut off at night time, but like,
Aye.
is that really that weird? I'll let you make the decision, but if you think he's alright, press the counter ring. If he's no shoot,
Right. This comes back to haunt us, man.
we'll figure it out at the end of the night.
Because he's walking in
Everybody
again.
has more health.
He's walking in again.
He's walked in again, right? Something was weird with this and
If his name's Tommy again, I swear, fuck. It is. Gotta be careful, man. What the
Wait,
fuck?
was that one the fake one?
Who's the fake one?
Did you? Did you let the fake one
Wait,
go?
hold on. Stem from fears and guilt. What? I don't know which one's the real one.
I don't like this guy. I don't like this. We're going to need to kill this one because we let the other one go.
Aye.
That's what I'm seeing in the room. Alright, well, we've done it. Somebody just ate Chinese and just walked away.
Worse. Oh fuck.
Oh,
Get a gun.
Right, somebody, right, we did, probably was that one guy.
3
You like 3? We're bad at our jobs.
in the bathroom, both everything up. Bear traps and all.
Was it,
Right, hurry up.
thanks, we
Hurry up, hurry up,
got
hurry up.
everything, we got everything.
Come on, we're about to board up the fucking bathroom.
Right, yeah.
That door.
Shut the door. No, that's what I'm doing, that's what I was gonna do. Watch your feet, Lewis.
The fuck?
Right, be quiet, boys. Don't say a fucking word.
I see you over there shitting. Yeah, stop it.
Yeah, you don't like that, you big fucking piece of shit.
Look at me, baby.
What the fuck is that?
Where's the other one?
What the fuck are the wee babies?
Where are you?
I think we're all good.
Come here.
I think we're alright.
We're not done with you. Babies. Oh. Oh, fucking hell!
I've got the baseball bat.
I think there's more. Holy fuck.
Right, well, that
I
night
did
never
flush
went
that
too
toilet,
well.
man. I couldn't help it.
No, that night never went too well with that, did it?
Ah! You bastard!
Lewis, come here. Come here!
It's got fucking spikes on it.
And I don't even shoot you.
Fucking, I can't even hit you, mate. It's hard. Ow!
Oh, fuck.
Hit the wall. Please no, I'm not the doppelganger.
Fucking doppelganger horsey cunt.
Fucking die. Beg for your life.
Ow.
Fucking.
You can't be putting me in the toilet with a flushable toilet and expecting me to stay quiet. That's just too.
I'm not even.
They were all doppelgangers. You
Oh,
only
what?
killed human.
Oh my. Wait, we killed the wrong Tommy. Oh, look, all the fucking animals are here.
Oh, aye. My dick's in the toilet.
Still trying to find the bones. The fucking dentist is here.
Ah.
He's
Another
outside.
serial killer.
Aye, he's right there.
Oh, I saw you, and he's holding something. Let's get the gun.
I'm getting it. Right, mate. If you put them down, I can give you 10% off all sperm products.
No.
24 hours.
No. That's what you want.
He's the dentist.
Listen, this guy's been coming into my shop the last few nights. He's a good guy. He doesn't deserve this. You're better than this. And he's not getting men back. If you don't put him down, I'm going to be forced to shoot you. I really don't want to. Alright, I'm going to shoot you.
Oh!
Oh, what the fuck happened? We alright?
Don't shoot the dentist. Check the note beside the gas pump. I need to start getting guns petrol.
Oh no.
That'll be fun.
I don't want to be out there. Fuck knows what I'm doing with these posters, by the way, man. I don't know.
You remind me of my ex-wife.
Fuck, man. This
Say
shop clerk is
say
chatting up
yourself some spur in your farm. What?
That's a whole new fucking meaning to find the toting in the toilet.
Oh, what the fuck?
Right, well,
We get
check
enough,
this
yeah.
note, we can start the day. Wait,
I've
geez
checked-
a second, then wait until...
checked
Let's
it.
grab a can. Wait,
The
who's-
gay, the gay. The stuff.
The gay.
What's wrong with him? He looks funny. His eyes are weird.
Fuck, so they are, he's smiling or all.
Oh. Hey buddy, look at you, hardworking, love that energy. What the fuck? What the fuck? Occupation, elementary school gym teacher. Yep, I get kids pumped. What?
No having that. We're not having that.
I think he just read that one wrong, mate. I'm not gonna lie.
Hello?
What's up, Moron? It's the boss. How you doing? Good, good. Well, I just took a glance at CCTV footage and there's rats. Shitloads of rats. Aside, clearly about me for the next customer and you'll get a bonus. They'll get to work. Right, boys, rat killing, let's go.
Yeah.
Kill the rats.
Dogs and cats, they know doing anything.
I don't know, just grab the rats and just start killing them.
Yeah,
I'm
but
just grabbing them, flinging them against the player.
I'm doing that in here. I'm the wall.
Right, we've done it. Right, it's time to clean up
Right.
the shop.
the cat, the fucking animals will eat it. He's moonwalking in.
Who's this cool cunt? Let him live. No.
We won't be having,
man,
we won't be
that
having
guy's
any of
cool
that.
That guy was fucking cool, man. I think I'm going to enter a shop like that next time I'm out. Oh, the gnome's back selling lemonade.
No, he's selling lemonade.
He's got a lemonade stand. Mate,
Fuck
this is
off.
harming our business.
Hello, I'm Norbert. You shot me last time, but that's okay. I've decided to sell lemonade on the bright sunny day. Would you like
I
to
just
try
drank
some?
it.
I promise it would be. It wouldn't put you to sleep. I think
I
it's
drank
lemonade.
it. I'm getting out my nut. Don't drink it. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Right, well, I'm gonna need. Hello, sir.
Can I
It's
see
his
this
seat.
shit? I'm dying.
I'm dying. Well, is his seat neat? Am I seeing shit?
Yeah,
Is
his seat, his seat does look like me, doesn't it?
Kill him. I'm not gonna die. What the fuck's
Come on,
this? What the fuck's that?
What the fuck?
I know it was just a
Fucking
normal
good on.
guy. I think that was just a normal guy. That.
No, you can't shoot a guy for moonwalking and then no shoot a guy for doing all that.
Shift is done. Well, maybe we actually got away with it today. Maybe we done it right. Because nothing's attacking us.
$1 million diet coke.
$1 million poster. I know what the fuck it is. Get yourself some sperm, you've earned it.
Right, are we all good then?
I think so. I mean, I don't see any.
I think so, eh?
That lemonade stand's still fucking there. Wait, there's blood to
What we
it.
selling at the lemonade stand? $1 million diet coke.